In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore an app from a backup or from an Android application build if the app isn't currently showing in your application editor. The first thing we need to do, we need to get the application ID. To do that, I'm going to right click on my backup. I'm going to select rename. I'm then going to highlight between the two underscores. And I'm going to copy that section. Copy, and then click away, and now I've got the exact application ID. Next we're going to go and create a new app. We're going to select blank templates and select the total blank template. Select that, use this template, and we're going to paste in our application ID. Click create. Now in this case we're restoring an iPhone app, so make sure we select iPhone. Click on next. Now this app doesn't have tabs, but if your app has tabs you should select standard tabs. If it has no tabs, in this case I'm going to select no tabs. Click on next. Okay, now we click on done. Now scroll down, and at the bottom we've got restore from backup. Click on restore from backup. Click on upload file. Select our backup file. Click open. Now it's going to restore the entire app back into the editor. Okay, now we can click close and the page will refresh, and as you can see the app has been restored. Now I'm going to show you how to restore an app from an Android application build file, and what we have here is an Android application build file. So we need to extract this file. So we're going to extract it here, refresh, and that's the folder, and there's the app-release.apk file. Now we need to extract that as well. Now to extract this file we have to rename it. So let's right click on it and select rename. And we're going to change APK to zip. And hit enter. Would you like to change it? Yes. Okay, now we can extract it. So the same again. Extract here, or extract files. Now this is extracting the whole zip file. Let's refresh the folder, and now we see all these files. We want to go into assets and then go into main, and inside here we have all of the files from within our app. And the next thing to do is select all these files, and we're going to do that by Control A, or you can do it by dragging from the top and down across the whole lot. But Control A is better, because that way you're sure to select them all. Now let's right click and we're going to add it to an archive. Now we must add it to a zip archive, and compression method normal, it's fine. We just want to use the most basic zip file your system's able to create. So in this case I'm just going to leave it all as it is. Click OK. Now we get a zip file, and if we refresh you'll see in here is a new file called main.zip. Really doesn't matter what it's called. So I'm going to right click on that and select copy. And go back to the top and I'm going to select paste. From this zip file we can now restore our app. So let's go to the app builder and go to my applications, and again we're going to create a new app. I'm going to select a blank template, total blank, use this template. Now we need to get the exact application ID, so right click on that, click on rename, right click and copy, click away. So now we've got the exact application ID. We're going to put that in here. paste it in, click on create. Now this is an Android application, so we just leave it as selected as Android, click next. Again, this application has no tabs, so I'm going to leave it as no tabs, click next, and then we click on done. Now scroll down and click on restore from backup. Click on upload file and select the file we created. Mine's called main.zip. Yours might be named differently depending upon the zip software that you're using. Mine called the name of the folder that the files are in. So main.zip, click on open. I'll wait for it to upload. Wait for it to uncompress. Okay, so all the files have been opened. Next we just close it off and the app will refresh, and then we have our app restored. You can see all the pages are in there. Okay, so that's how you restore your app from an Android build file. Okay, thank you for watching.